Eat your spaghetti.
More cheese.
You want more cheese?
Okay.
Say hi.
Cheese.
You want more cheese?
Okay.
Well, you can just eat it. No, eat this right here. Eat this one. That's good. Show everybody how you can eat like a big girl. You're so big now. Where are our Whoa, that's too much, Mia. That's too much.
Eat.
Put some back in your bowl. Okay, it's okay. Eat that. You're okay with that.
Look.
Oh, it fell down.
Look.
It's okay. Just keep eating. We'll fix it. Okay. Okay, you want to put it back in the bowl? Okay. You could eat that if you want. Okay, eat with your spoon now, sweetie. Can you eat with your spoon? Oh, you want to smell it?
Look.
What's wrong?
It fell down.
It fell down?
Look.
It's okay. Okay, finish eating. Finish eating, babe. Finish eating.
A spoon.
Yeah, with your spoon. Finish eating with your spoon. Just a little bit, okay? Oh, jeez.
Mama.
Oops.